Here's the formula for success that I walk all of my clients through. It goes like this. I see this often with plumbers. Plumbers define success as a number, rather than a reason why they need to build their business attached to a personal goal, right? Because success can be defined so many ways, and if success so very often is just a number, like I want to do $1 million a year, my question is, why do you want to do $1 million a year? And what would that do for you? So most plumbers, and let's just face it, most trades companies, most trades entrepreneurs, they attach success to just, I want to make 7 figures. Here's the formula for success that I walk all of my clients through. It goes like this. D stands for dreams, times goals, times learning, times planning, times action equals success. The thing is, success is the end result of all of these things done very well. So, dreams. This is where most people have the most fun, but it just isn't enough to get them motivated. So, dreaming. Why does this business have to do or be as successful as you need it to be? How many family members need to be affected by you? What things in the world need to be affected by your success in a very positive way? If we can't dream huge, our success will be negatively affected. But it doesn't stop with dreaming. Dreaming is the first and funnest part. Then we gotta go down to goals. Goals is really about being specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-tested. Setting goals is a whole different skill in and of itself. We have to be so specific with this, and they could even be measured in different time frames. But your success is not something that just comes all at once. It's broken down into micro goals and macro goals, sometimes days, weeks, months, quarters, and years. Now, we get the goals down. Chances are you are not at the level of success you want to be because there's so much more learning you have to do. You're not there yet, frankly, because you don't know how to get there. And that's not meant to offend you, that's meant to provoke you in a very good way. Most people want to bypass learning because this is the most boring part. This means you have to wait. This means that you have to do things first before you can take action, because a lot of people do want to take action. So what is it that you have to learn to be successful? Is it a skill that you must develop? Talking about plumbers and tradespeople, some of the things that you have to learn is how to delegate. Here's one toxic way of thinking that most people in trades think. If I want to do it right, I have to do it myself. And if you're an owner of a trades company, especially being a plumber or HVAC or anything like that, you've probably said what I just said 1,000,000 times to where you actually believe that you are the most important person to your business. But here's the thing, if you're the most important person to your business, then how can you get the level of success and actually enjoy it when you're there, when you have to be the one running the business? So what do you have to learn? Is it a skill set? Is it leadership? Is it learning how to delegate? Is it learning how to put policies and procedures in place or plans of actions in place so that people understand how to do it? And it's not just your brain working, they can duplicate it because everything that is floating up here is now in a form that they can actually understand. Once you can do that, now we could plan. Because success doesn't just come. If you're relying on luck, the form of success that you'll get will be because there's no plan. If you plan for success, more often than not, you will actually achieve it and maybe even overachieve it. Planning is extremely important. If you don't know how to plan, get a coach, go to workshops, go to seminars, learn how to plan. That's why learning comes first. And then the A is for action. Nothing happens if you are not willing to be actionable. If you're not willing to go out there and try and make mistakes and then evolve, and then try again, make mistakes until you get it right, you will never hit success. So the formula for success is dreams times goals times learn times plan times action. And if you do that long enough, you will achieve the level of success you are looking for. Once you hit that success, enjoy it for a minute. But I guarantee you, you will have shifted your mindset so well that you're gonna look for the next level of success. And this is the funnest part about business when you do it the right way. Stay strong.